Hi, my name is Harold Horsburgh, creator of the Indecisive washing machine. I'm here to tell you about our new revolutionary washing machine of the future, the Indecisive 30, maybe 60. The 30, maybe 60 is optimized for each wash, meaning water, detergent and energy required will all differ, saving you money, time and energy. Part of its core technology includes our unique stain identifier, which individually identifies stains to determine the intensity of the spin required to remove them. We've invited a housewife in today to test our new washing machine with her daily load.
Orange juice, sweat, rosé wine, urine, toothpaste, semen, feces, chocolate, tomato, semen, mouthwash, gravy, lube, bleach, vodka.
Obviously, this load needed an intensive wash, but the results speak for themselves. Decide on an Indecisive washing machine today.